Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the ice fang angler in Fish It Roblox. So this terrifying deep sea creatures only spawn in the freezing waters of the Christmas Islands. So in here, I'm going to show you the best spots to get this rare fish. So I actually got it from the cave, the Christmas cave that's only open for 30 minutes every 2 hours. You can also get it from these locations right here in front of the Christmas Island. And the last spot that I got the ice fang angler is behind the Christmas cave. So when the cave is closed, I go up in here to find this spots right here. Okay, when you see this ice, you can just go left, and this is where I go fish. You can just find the spots where you can throw your fishing rod. So that's how you can get the ice fang angler in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.